Hey guys, so if your MSI Claw, the buttons are not working, the controls no longer work. So I was looking for how we can possibly fix the issue. It's something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to fix it. If not, then I'm sorry. Someone wrote here, just reinstall the MSI Center M again and it will work. Also, what you can try to do, someone wrote here, I solved it. Simply press and hold the power button to perform a hard reset. Shutting down from Windows does not work. The issue occurs because the built-in control itself is not recognized during startup, as if the control is not powered on. So, and then hey, I tried it many times, had to have it RMAD, I've got no idea what that means. Not sure what the fix was, but it's all good now. They did a fresh Windows reinstall. So yeah. I hope this video helped you at least a little bit. Have a great day and goodbye.